what's for dinner tonight is some fried chicken. My oven's already preheated. I usually preheat it to 425, and this oil is already hot. I did add some bacon grease to it, but you don't have to do that. It's just because I had it on hand and I'm trying to get rid of it. You can use any kind of flour you want. I'm just using flour with some seasoned salt and pepper in it. So I've used almond flour, coconut flour. I'm pretty sure you can do anything. Just season it how you would like for it to be, and do that. Right now I'm putting the wings in. I got a pack of chicken from Walmart that is just drumsticks, thighs, and wings. But you can do any pieces, boneless, not boneless, you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. On my wings though, I will give you a little tip. I tend to cut these wing tips off because we don't eat them, and I don't see the point in wasting time, flour, or anything else trying to get them done. Okay, so it's already really well, you know, cooked, not completely all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. I'm going to leave it uncovered because I want my skin to get crispy. If you don't, you know, if that's not important to you, then you can cover it. It's fine. You can either leave it in the pan that you cooked it in if it's oven safe, or you can switch it to a baking dish, something like that. You know, it's fine. What I would do if you switch it to a baking dish, take the grease that's in here and pour it over the chicken. That way it'll help flavor it, keep it from drying out, and it'll just be good. It'll just be the best thing for you to do is just to stick it in there with it. Okay, y'all, so this was the finished product. It's always real simple. I just, you know, keep an eye on it. Like I said, leave the lid off if you want to try to, you know, make it a little crispy. We just paired it with some fresh corn. That's gonna be our dinner for tonight. What's for dinner tonight? This is my Dorito chicken casserole and just some mashed potatoes. I left the skins on the potatoes, but the main star of this is the casserole. It's real easy, and I do have that recipe down below somewhere. If you look for it, you should be able to find it. Alright, let's move on to the next day. Tonight's dinner is our wild rice soup. This is with turkey. Usually I make it with chicken, but this is with the leftover turkey from Thanksgiving, so that's what we had tonight. If you leave the rice in there for too long, it soaks up the broth, so it doesn't look so much like a soup. It looks more like chicken and rice, but it was a soup. Okay, so tonight's what's for dinner is a taco potato casserole made with hash browns. It was really easy and simple, and I did it in the crock pot. See you tomorrow. For tonight's dinner, we had Sloppy Joe's on Texas toast. This is the garlic toast that you get in the freezer section of the grocery store. I will have a recipe coming up for that. And to accompany it, I just threw some tater tots in the air fryer, and we had that tonight for dinner.